more fun and functional way to spruce up your living area, this electric fireplace is the thing to get. This is fully customizable. Right now, I just have it on the light feature, so it's purely decorative, but I can adjust everything from the remote or from right here. So I just turn the heat on. I'm not sure if you can see this in the sun, but there's one line saying low heat. Now there's two lines saying high heat, and this works. Our furnace has gone out 2 times this winter, and this has definitely saved us in our own comfortability and also keeping the pipes from freezing on us. So I definitely recommend it. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off so it quiets down a little bit. Then you can also, this is the flame feature, so go ahead and pay attention to the flames. I can make them bigger, I can make them go faster. This one is for how much it lights up the racks. This button is for the rack color, and there's many different colors. We really like this feature because we can change it based on how we're feeling, the mood, or even Christmas time. You can have red and green, any holiday. This is for changing the flame color. Yeah, this has been really great. We enjoy this a lot. There's also a timer. I can definitely recommend getting this. It's beautiful, it sets the vibe, and it actually makes a huge difference. Thanks for watching.